Delinquency automation. Before we get started, make sure you've already set up your properties, fees, and documents. Delinquency is usually set up by the operator or property manager. We'll supply you with your state standards, which details which steps must be taken before you take certain actions. Use that as a guideline when setting up your delinquency process in your state. We're going to use a California delinquency process here as an example. Our process name is California Delinquency. We'll apply this to this property. For stage name, we'll use Tenant Becomes Delinquent. Remember that the stage name shows up on the delinquency timeline, which will be on any delinquent tenant's profile. So make sure to use stage names that'll help you keep track of a tenant's delinquency. For description, we'll use tenant status changes to delinquent. We'll put day 2 since day 1 is the day that the tenant's rent was due. Let's click Add Action. Change status. And we're going to change the tenant to delinquent because they haven't paid rent for this month. You can add as many actions as you want. In this case, we'll add the action of send message. And we'll send it by text to notify the tenant. Here's the message we'll use. So in summary, on day 2, if the tenant hasn't paid, their status will change to delinquent, and they'll receive a text message letting them know they're delinquent. Now we'll add day 6. Our stage name is Deny Access and Apply Late Fee, with the description of deny access of the tenant and add a late fee to their account. Let's type in day 6 and add the action of deny access. Then the action of add fee. Select late fee. Some operators have a one-time late fee, while others have a monthly recurring late fee. In our example, we charge a recurring late fee for every month, so we will check this box. And finally, you can add in another text message to make sure your tenant is being kept in the loop. Save stage. In summary, we have day 2 and day 6, with multiple actions under each stage. When setting up your delinquency automation, make sure you finalize the specific days you've chosen before you go live, because changing a day can trigger duplicate actions to tenants. For example, let's say you wanted to change day 6 to day 7. Just reach out to support and we can make that change for you. Note that you can update the actions within a stage, but again, if you're needing to swap out one day for another, you'll want to reach out to us just to make sure everything ends up okay. Add the remaining days and actions that are applicable to your state. And if you have any questions, just reach out and let us know.